kasasi PT Sri Rejeki Isman atau Sritex membuat pekerja di perusahaan tekstil itu ketar-ketir. Koordinator Serikat Pekerja Sritex Group, Slamet Kaswanto mengatakan para pekerja mengaku kecewa terhadap putusan itu. Sebab mereka telah menaruh harapan bahwa keputusan kasasi dapat memberikan solusi bagi kelangsungan pekerjaan mereka. Kami selaku pekerja Sritex Group yang saat ini masih terikat hubungan kerja dengan Sritex merasa sangat kaget dan sedih dengan putusan kasasi MA ini. Karena kami sangat berharap putusan kasasi ini menjawab keinginan puluhan ribu buruh Sritex yang ingin terus bekerja agar upah yang didapat bisa untuk mencukupi kebutuhan hidupnya dan keluarganya, kata Slamet kepada bisnis pada Jumat 20 Desember 2024. Slamet lalu menyampaikan para pekerja Sritex tetap menghormati proses hukum yang berlangsung. Meski begitu, mereka berharap opsi going concern dapat dijalankan untuk menjaga keberlangsungan usaha. Opsi going concern sebelumnya menjadi harapan bagi pekerja yang juga didukung oleh pemerintah. Selama ini kami mengikuti proses ini dan sangat berharap going concern dapat diputuskan oleh kurator setelah mendapat persetujuan hakim pengawas, namun belum bisa terwujud juga sampai saat ini, ujarnya. Selain itu, Serikat Buruh juga mempertanyakan keseriusan pemerintahan Presiden Prabowo Subianto dalam membantu Sritex. Meskipun manajemen Sritex dan kurator tidak melakukan pemutusan hubungan kerja selama proses kepailitan, kondisi para buruh tetap terkatung-katung. Kami tidak di-PHK oleh manajemen maupun dari kurator, karena Pak Prabowo menginginkan tidak ada PHK. Namun nasib kami menjadi mengambang ketika tidak ada PHK, tapi juga tidak dapat bekerja dikarenakan bahan baku sudah habis dan pabrik berhenti operasional, keluhnya. Slamet berharap pemerintah dapat lebih aktif dalam memfasilitasi pertemuan antara kurator, debitur, dan pekerja untuk membahas kelangsungan going concern selama proses kepailitan. Harapan besar mereka kini terarah pada pihak eksekutif, legislatif, dan yudikatif untuk bisa memfasilitasi penyelesaian yang lebih berpihak pada keberlanjutan pekerjaan buruh Sritex.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Dr. Helita Esos MS Debs and Miss Lestia Stuti SPD MSA as a lecturer of the English course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maulida Shifa Zahra with student identification number 17016240025. From the Economic Education Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, Jakarta State University. With your permissions, I would like to present my opinion on the article titled Worker Path Uncertain Due to Sritex Bankruptcy, No Layoff but Unable to Work. My opinion on bankruptcy of PT Sri Rejeki Isman Tbk or Sritex from the news that I read is that its condition creates great uncertainty for its works. Although officially there were not layoffs, many of these workers did not get their salaries because they could not work, and also many of them have entered their full age, which makes it difficult to find work if the worker is laid off, because the company had run out of raw material and this makes the worker lose their income. This is a dilemma as they are still under contract but not receiving salaries, which will certainly have a negative impact on their welfare and that of their families, added to the fear of work against companies that cannot pay their rates as a worker. The impact of Sritex bankruptcy was also considerable on the economy, particularly in the textile sector. As one of larger textile producers in Indonesia, the descriptions of Sritex operations would cause national production to decline, affect the supply chains, and weaken the competitiveness of Indonesia textile in the global markets. In addition, the unclear fate of thousands of workers could increase unemployment and reduce people's purchasing power, ultimately slowing economic growth both at regional and national level. This case also a reminder of the importance of good financial management, especially for large companies like Sirtex. The bankruptcy not only harm works but also impact business partners, suppliers, and customers who depend on the company operations. The government must be more assertive in the surviving large company, especially those that have a major impact on the economy, as well as preparing protection program for affected workers. This step is important to maintain economic stability and avoid bigger social problems.